Hey, buddy. What you doing? Hi, Ollie.
Good job, honey!
There it is. This has actually been sitting here for probably 3 or 4 weeks since I finished it up, I think. Just kind of did this in between other projects when I had some downtime, got this put back together, got it reloaded with a bunch of stuff. Got my Jeep stored under it. So this was not necessarily on the high list of priorities, but I was able to squeeze it in. So this is good. Still got some little things to do to finish it up, but it's gonna sit here because we're working over on the other side. So the next video, we'll go into what we've been doing up on the hill for actually building the house. So if you're interested in seeing that, the video for that will be coming up soon. And yeah, so a lot of work. The next video is all about clearing, but I'm way behind on that too. So we actually have a fair bit of the basement done. So the next 2 videos are probably gonna come out pretty quickly. I've just been way too busy to get the videos out. It's surprising how much time that actually takes. So keep your eyes peeled. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe, turn on the notifications, leave some comments. Let me know how I can make the content better, more enjoyable. I would like this to be fun for everybody, including myself. So see you at the next video. Thanks for watching.